I am packing our bags right now. I am packing our bags right now.
Did you pack my blue shirt and trousers? Did you pack my blue shirt and trousers?
I packed everything we need for the trip. I packed everything we need for the trip.
Good. Do not forget our identity cards. Good. Do not forget our identity cards.
Oh, I almost forgot them. Thank you. Oh, I almost forgot them. Thank you.
I am putting the cards inside the bag now. I am putting the cards inside the bag now.
I am closing and locking the front door. I am closing and locking the front door. I can see puddles everywhere on the road. I can see puddles everywhere on the road.
Be careful! Do not step into the puddles. Be careful! Do not step into the puddles.
The station is not very far from here. The station is not very far from here.
The station is so busy and full of people. The station is so busy and full of people.
Many people are traveling today after the rain. Many people are traveling today after the rain.
Where is the ticket counter? Where is the ticket counter? I cannot see it.
I think it is over there on the right.
I
Think it is over there on the right.
Oh, I can see it now. Let us go. Oh, I can see it now. Let us go.
There is a small queue at the counter. There is a small queue at the counter.
That is okay. We have enough time to wait. That is okay. We have enough time to wait. Let me see the tickets. Show me, please. Let me see the tickets. Show me, please.
Here, take them and put them in your bag. Here, take them and put them in your bag. The platform is full of people and luggage. The platform is full of people and luggage.
Yes, everyone is waiting for the same train. Yes, everyone is waiting for the same train. When will the train arrive at the platform? When will the train arrive at the platform?
The board says it arrives in 10 minutes. The board says it arrives in 10 minutes.
Are you feeling hungry? We can buy snacks. Are you feeling hungry?
We can buy snacks. Oh, yes, I am a little hungry now. Oh, yes, I am a little hungry now. Buy some biscuits and a bottle of water. Buy some biscuits and a bottle of water.
Okay, I will be back in 2 minutes. Okay, I will be back in 2 minutes.
Here, I bought biscuits and 2 water bottles. Here, I bought biscuits and 2 water bottles. Wow! It is such a long and big train. Wow! It's such a long and big train. Hold my hand and step up carefully. Hold my hand and step up carefully.
Thank you. I am getting onto the train now. Thank you. I am getting onto the train now.
I am coming up right behind you now. I am coming up right behind you now.
We are inside the train at last. We are inside the train at last.
Now let us find our seats quickly. Now, let us find our seats quickly.
I am looking at the seat numbers right now. I am looking at the seat numbers right now. I am sitting down by the window now. I am sitting down by the window now.
I am putting our bags on the rack above. I am putting our bags on the rack above.
Good. Now come and sit beside me. Good. Now come and sit beside me.
Yes, we are finally on our way. Yes, we are finally on our way.
The rain washed everything so clean and bright. The rain washed everything so clean and bright.
The trees look so green after the rain. The trees look so green after the rain.
Do you want some biscuits now? Do you want some biscuits now?
Yes, please. I am getting a little hungry again. Yes, please. I am getting a little hungry again.
The sky is so blue and clear after the rain. The sky is so blue and clear after the rain.
Look, there are white clouds floating above the fields. Look, there are white clouds floating above the fields.
I can see some cows grazing in the field. I can see some cows grazing in the field. Look at those fishermen on their small boats. Look at those fishermen on their small boats.
Wow, they are fishing even after the heavy rain. Wow, they are fishing even after the heavy rain.
I could sit here and watch this view forever. I could sit here and watch this view forever. How much more time until we arrive there? How much more time until we arrive there?
I think about 1 more hour remains in the journey. I think about 1 more hour remains in the journey.
Good. Then I can enjoy the view for more time. Good. Then I can enjoy the view for more time.